Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. So Bitcoin officially breaks trading range, hits relative highs of over 57K, and the weekly close is bullish. Full week bullish close, and the next week bullish is already created with a higher bullish candle on the reverse MACD. I am 100% bullish on crypto overall. If there was ever a time to actually get into alts, it would be now, 100%. I am currently at the moment, I am buying bags of altcoins. I am not buying any Bitcoin, but as of right now, I am 100% bullish on the crypto market, and I think that Bitcoin is headed to 60K. You guys already know that I was waiting for the week to actually close bullish. On average, every single bullish week that we close, we last about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We do about 4 months of a bull market, more than likely a little bit longer. So I do think that, for the next, what, 120 days at least, we are going to be in full bull movement towards the upside. But as of right now, I'm 100% bullish on all crypto, especially altcoins. After that weekly close on Bitcoin and hitting new relative highs of 57K. I'll see you guys later. Super cool. I think we're going to 60K BTC relatively soon. See you guys later. Bye bye.